Hello everyone. Look at this picture carefully. What do you think is happening here? Today, we will enjoy a short story from this picture. Picture based stories make learning easy, interesting, and meaningful. They improve language skills, creativity, and values while keeping learners engaged and confident. Let's begin. One afternoon, Mom went out to visit a neighbor. She said, I will come back soon. Please don't make a mess. Dad and the children smiled and said, Okay, Mom. As soon as Mom left, the kitchen became very busy. Dad decided to cook lunch. He wore an apron and took eggs from the box. But, oh no, one egg slipped from his hand and fell on the floor. The egg broke and made the floor dirty. Dad looked worried and said, This is not going well. The two children also wanted to help. They wore big sharp hats and stood near the table. One child was cutting fruits carefully. The other child was mixing flour in a bowl. But flour fell on the table and on the floor. Small pieces of food were everywhere. The dog was very happy. It saw food on the floor and tried to eat it. The kitchen became messy and noisy. Dad did not know where to look first. Suddenly Dad said, Stop, let's clean together. The children put food in bowls properly. Dad cleaned the floor and wiped the table. The dog went back to its basket. Just then, Mom came back home. She looked around and smiled. The kitchen was clean and lunch was ready. Mom said, Good job. You worked as a team. Everyone felt proud and happy. They learned that helping together makes work easy, even when Mom is not at home. Now we will do a fun activity called jumbled sentences. The words are mixed up. You have to arrange the words in the correct order to make a meaningful sentence. Read the words carefully, think, and then speak or write the correct sentence. Let's try the first one together. Dad is cooking in the kitchen. The children are helping Dad. An egg fell on the floor. The kitchen became messy. They worked together happily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel.